Hey, so what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Intel today. Trying to tell the sellers of this particular stock, beware, because the buyers in Intel could potentially be eyeing a major rally. So what's going on, everyone? Hit that like button and also subscribe for more content. This is what I do. I simply give you all ideas as to where I suspect the market is going to go. We try to look at the seesaw and see which side of the market is actually leading, and that's the side that we're going to participate on. So in this particular video, you all can already tell what we're leaning towards. We're seeing the idea that Intel is going to go higher in price. That is our current thesis for this particular stock. We're looking for the market to go up. So hit that like button so you can also subscribe for more of this simplistic content. Now, when we did our video, in Intel, this is where the price was trading at. We already knew that the initial price move in Intel could go lower because we were at its sell zone. I knew that. Currently, now you can see how these buyers are currently hitting the market in Intel off of yesterday's price action, ending up 4.2% on the day. So now, or that's on the 8th of October. So now we're coming right back at that sell zone. We need to see the buyers take price above that sell zone. They have to. In order for our price prediction to at least have more legs to play out, we need to see these buyers remove these sellers from this area. Take a look at this on the 2 for Intel. We're trying to see if the strength is on side of the buyers. And off of our software, you guys can see that we received an indication that the market is a buy. That's a good thing to see. But these signals are only as powerful as price is relation to the zones, meaning we're close to a sell zone though. Sell zones are more powerful than any one individual price bar. Always remember that. So yes, we have an indication and a clue that the market in Intel is bullish. Yes, but we need to see this area removed. So I like the 2-day chart though. Here's Intel on the 3. Let's see how much time we got left on the 3. Okay, so the market has concluded on this 3-day price bar right here, which is fantastic. Why? Because the market closed on the high of the 3-day bar, and it closed at the high of the bar right next to a sell zone. I like that. Intel on the 4. 9 hours, 2 minutes left, and it almost looked identical like the 3, this 4-day bar right here. So in the next 9 hours, if this price bar looks the way that it looks now, I think our price prediction is still good. Again, we're still knocking on the door though of this sell zone. This is what I'm trying to tell the sellers in Intel. Hey, y'all need to be careful because these buyers look like they want to come up. Look like they want to lift this price above this initial sell zone. And then if that occurs, you can see our next target in Intel is right here, around 26. Intel on the 5. I need to check to see if this 5-day price bar is finished printing. So it is. This tells us that sellers were present. But on the next 5 right here, this finished printed 5-day bar, it tells us that the buyers wasn't even phased at the selling that occurred over the last 10 days because the market came right back up. The buyers are like, okay, that's what you got? That's all you got? Cool. Let's move this market up. Here it is on the 5. Intel on the 2. Intel on the 3. On the 3 weeks. This is a very good indication too. That 1 3-weekly price bar. It's like somebody, a big institution, maybe with hundreds of millions of assets under management, came in and said, yeah, we need to buy Intel now. This is relatively cheap. 2013 was the last time that Intel was trading at that range. almost what, 13 years ago. So what we're going to do is we're going to remain with our current idea. We're going to leave it alone. We're not going to touch it. Just kind of did like a quick surveillance as to what the chart looks like, because if we needed to change anything, we would. But from what we've seen thus far on these multiple time frames, it's telling us that we don't need to touch anything yet. Just keep the hands off of it right now. That's what the market is telling me. So that's what we're going to do. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Intel. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.